Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with a new session of the same lesson, sound, lesson number 15. Now, here, one short experiment. Take 6 to 7 glass cups, arrange them in the line, and fill them water with gradually increasing water level from one end to the other. Take a pencil and strike the cups sequentially. The sound generated by each cup will be different. Why is it so? When a cup is struck, waves are set up in the air column above the water level in the cup. The frequency of the generated wave depends on the height of the air column inside the glass cup. Since the water level in each glass is different, the height of the air column in each glass is also different. Therefore, the frequency of sound generated by each glass cup will also be different, so that the sound generated is different. Sound and music. From the above activity, it is clear that when the frequency of sound wave is changed, different sound is produced. Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. In the field of music, various musical instruments are used for creation of sound notes. This includes instruments like sitar, violin, guitar, which use strings for the production of sound, and instruments like flute, shennai, which use air blown into pipes for the production of sound. In string based instruments, the frequency of vibration of string is changed by changing the tension on the string or by changing the vibrating length of the string using fingers. This results in generation of different notes. In musical instruments like flute, the holes of the flute are opened or closed to change the length of the vibrating air column in the flute. The frequency of the waves therefore changes, its results in the propagation of different notes. In flute, different notes can be generated by changing the wave of air blowing also. Now, in the human ear, how sound is being heard or it is being produced in case of human being. Either speak a little loudly or sing a song or produce humming sound like a bee and put your fingers on your throat. Do you feel the same vibration? In the human, sound is produced in the larynx. While swallowing food, we can feel with our finger a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but larynx. As shown in the figure 15.5, it is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different. Take two rubber strips out of an unused bicycle tube. Place these two pieces one above the other and stretch them tight. Now blow air through the gap between them. As the air blows through the gap between the rubber strips, a sound is produced. Human larynx works in a similar way. Vocal cords are 20 cm in length in male and about 15 cm in female, even smaller in children. Therefore, the voice of male, female, and children are different. Take two rubber strips out of an unused bicycle tube. Place these two pieces one above the other and stretch them tight. Now blow air through the gap between them. As the air blows through the gap between the rubber strips, the sound is produced. The human larynx works in a similar way. Produce a sound bo bo, just like a dog barking, and meow meow, just like mewing cat. Carefully notice the tension on the vocal cords. When you produce this sound, do you feel that tension on the vocal cord changes when you produce these two different sounds? Sound generation by loudspeaker. You know that sound can be produced using loudspeaker. An internal arrangement in the loudspeaker is shown in the form of cross-sectional view in the figure 15.6. It consists of a permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through the coil, it also generates magnetic field. This you have learned in the earlier chapter in this book. You must have seen that if two magnets are brought near each other, they move depending on their positions. In the same way, here, depending on the magnetic field created due to the soil, the coil depending upon the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. The frequency and the amplitude of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker, which is attached to the coil, also moves back and forth. We have seen that due to back and forth motion of the prongs of tuning fork, sound waves are produced. In the same way, here due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in air. You can feel these vibrations of the loudspeaker screen just by gently touching the screen of the loudspeaker, which is producing sound. Very loud sound can be produced by using a loudspeaker. Therefore, loudspeakers are used in public places. However, as we have learned last year, if sound level is around 100 decibels, the sound can be harmful to us. Therefore, although the loudspeaker can generate a very loud sound, there must be a limit to its loudness. Try this. An app may be available on the cell phones to measure the loudness of sound in decibels. With the help of your teacher, use the app to measure the sound level of a sound from loudspeaker at some public place. Measure the sound level at different distances from the loudspeaker. Do you observe some relationship between the distance from the loudspeaker and sound level? Definitely. The more closer we are to the loudspeaker, the vibration will be more. The sound level will be higher as we are near to the loudspeaker, and sound level will be lower as we move far away from the loudspeaker. Always remember, we should take care that others are not disturbed when we study sound and its production. Sound pollution is a major cause affecting the environment and social health. Hence, we should find the ways to avoid sound pollution. Thus, here we have completed this lesson. Remaining other lessons will complete it in the next video. Till then, have a great day.